Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa or you can say visitor visa to travel to Dominica or in other terms, Commonwealth of Dominica. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk or advice. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened web portal of Government of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Now, if you go to passport and travel documents for non-nationals, so the very first thing is to check that do you really need a visa to enter Dominica? So if you are from the following countries and enter Dominica for a period not exceeding 6 months, you don't need a visa. Okay. So countries in the Commonwealth of Nations, CARICOM country members, okay, person from the following countries for period not exceeding 3 months. So many countries are already there. Any other in transit passenger or bona fide tourist who is having a return ticket. Okay, fine. Now for this member of Commonwealth, oh, anyway, this you can find. All right. Now suppose your nation does a small Google search and I found this. So you can see many countries are there. Okay. So up to 6 months, it's not required. And for some countries 3 months. So even though like if you still need a visa based on your nationality, the process also we are going to walk through. Do I need to apply for visa? How? Okay. How do I apply for a visitor visa? This is very important. So you need a visa application form, passport, two passport size photograph, bank statement from the sponsor, person inviting the applicant if not yours, valid medical certificate, employment letter if employed, a proof of self-employment means to prove that you have employment, invitation letter if that's applicable, marriage certificate, birth certificate of applicant. Okay. Applicant fee of $200 to be paid at Treasury Department. Okay. All relevant information should be written or translated into English. Okay. Signature of the applicant to be notarized sworn before a commissioner of oath. Okay. Now, where you're gonna submit it? So you're gonna submit at your like you submit through via. Okay. Their official mission. They have missions or you can say consulates in some countries. So whichever is applicable to you, you can contact them and get the visa. Now let's go through the application form. What I did, I went to the Dominica consulate website in Greece, and from there I could get this visa application form. So it's pretty simple. Passport number, your passport details, issuing country, date. See the format, that's really important. Surname, first and middle name, other name, if applicable, of course. Date of birth, place of birth, country, state, nationality, gender, home address, telephone number, business mobile, all such details, marital status, spouse full name, even if divorced, wow, spouse DOB, children information, employment or school information, occupation, when you want to enter Dominica, where you will stay. So if you have a hotel booking, you can definitely put that information. Your where you're gonna stay, how long you're gonna stay, purpose, will pay. Have you been there before? With your Dominican visa, have you who refused? Do you intend to work there? Do you intend to study? Name and registered persons traveling with you, cancelled or revoked. If your visa has Dominican visa ever been cancelled or revoked. Now your general information. Have you ever been arrested, convicted, unlawfully sold controlled substance, refused admission to Dominica or deportation hearing? Okay, so read these carefully and then answer. Okay. You need to see signatures here, so it has to be notarized. Okay. Fine. Please check the appropriate box. Have you ever been okay? Wow. Do not write below this line. Okay, so this is for consulate. Okay, fine. Okay, so with this you can apply. You can contact them, like as I've shown for Greece. You can contact them and you can get the information like how that and how to go and apply, when to apply, and then it should go in your then it should go into the process. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.